Risk management is about managing risk, and insurance is perhaps the most obvious way in which people approach the management of risk. And this is about transferring the risk to someone else, paying a premium in order for them to bear the risk. Now, recently in the press, there's been a lot of concern about increasing premiums for insurance, in particular for household and property insurance. So there has been some articles where people have said, right, I'm prepared to effectively self-insure. I've paid off the mortgage, I'm not going to fully insure myself or my property anymore. There has also been suggestions that we could underinsure. If the full replacement value was $500,000, perhaps we insure for $300,000. So if something awful happens, we only get a maximum of $300,000 and we would have to buy a smaller unit. Now, there are dangers in underinsuring. Perhaps the policy says that if you deliberately underinsure, we're not going to fully pay out. So again, it's so important that you seek a full understanding of the policy and what it's about. There has been a lot of advertisements on television for various health insurance schemes. Southern Cross is one that comes to mind, advertising for relatively younger people who are just entering the workforce, that they can get a policy for around about $1 a day. Now I know, when I compare it to my own, which is over $2,000 a year, that that's very different. So why? Is it because they're much younger, fitter, healthier, and less likely to be drawing on the insurance? Or is it that the policy itself has different terms? So again, we need to be fully informed. Financial literacy is about being informed, asking the right questions, not assuming that things are the same. So it's obvious when we go in to a car yard and we buy a brand new motor vehicle versus a 10-year-old motor vehicle, that they're likely to be different. We understand that, but we seem not to be able to comprehend as easily the sometimes subtle differences in insurance policies. So it's very important to check these out and to get good information about the product you are actually buying.